Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Picsart, one of the most popular apps for photo and video editing. Picsart is a creative platform that lets you edit photos, design graphics, and even create short videos. You can apply filters, remove backgrounds, add stickers, text, and tons of effects, all in one app. It's like having a full editing studio in your pocket. Using Picsart is simple. Just upload your photo or video, choose the tools you need, and start editing. You can layer effects, blend images, or use templates if you're short on time. Everything is drag and drop, and most features are intuitive, even for beginners. People love Picsart because it's versatile, creative, and social. You can share your edits directly on social media, join challenges, or just experiment with your imagination. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make their photos and videos stand out. If you haven't tried Picsart yet, give it a go and see what you can create.